Hey, what's going on, guys? Here I got you guys another video. This time I want you guys to join me in the journey of learning how to TIG weld. After doing a lot of research and trying to stay within a budget, I have to confess I don't have any prior knowledge on welding. I have decided to make a video series of the journey, what it takes, how long is it gonna take for me to become proficient at TIG welding. And here you guys can see the aftermath of Black Friday sales. So after doing some research, this is the machine I decided to go to. This is not a sponsored video at this time. I just want to show what I came up with after doing actually days of research. Starting with your argon tank, we have a dedicated tungsten sharpener. We got some welding magnets, some aluminum coupons. In this case, I had to get a chop saw. I didn't have anything for cutting metals and giving good cuts besides an angle grinder. I got the welder. I got some consumables, helmet. I have a welding cart and a welding table. Maybe you don't need any of this. Maybe you have some. Maybe you have your way of making your own. I actually came up with all this at a pretty decent price. The only thing I'm missing right now is the filler rods are actually on the way. But other than that, I should be ready to start TIG welding. For an absolute beginner like myself, here you can have an idea of the items that you're going to need, or maybe you can find a different way for certain items. That's, shooter's preference. The start of the show, not sponsored. So you guys stay tuned while I unwrap my Christmas presents. So here you have it, guys. This is the machine I selected to begin my fabrication journey. I hope you guys stick around. Like I said before, I don't know anything about welding. From what I have researched and read, TIG welding is supposed to be really hard. We'll see. Here we have it all set up, ready to go. I sharpened the tungsten. I decided to start on aluminum. This is gonna be my initial first plate, no welding experience. So here we have it, guys. My first try at TIG welding. So not as expected. Because I actually made a mistake and I was using the direct current setting instead of the alternate current, which is supposed to be for aluminum. But yeah, this is what DC does to aluminum. Here you guys can see I started just dabbing into it. I was messing with the settings on the helmet and all the settings with the machine and such, and we'll see. I'm gonna switch it to AC and we'll see what it does. Stick around. We're gonna go from this to building a side exhaust on the Civic. That is my goal, and after that we're gonna go into it and set up a catch can and all that stuff. But for now, that's the goal. So stick around and we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated and we'll continue to show progress. So after a couple hours of trying and troubleshooting, I was able to just start on AC. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but you can tell the difference between AC and DC over here. But I'm currently having an issue and I have spent a couple hours trying to figure it out. I am getting no arc out of the machine. I triggered the foot pedal and it does not create any arc. I hear everything working, but no arc. So I'm currently troubleshooting that. I changed my tungsten. I make sure the grounding area for the clamp was freshly cleaned up and sanded. I'm currently running out of ideas right now. I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board and do a little bit more research. This is where we currently at. I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna stop the video here for today. I'm gonna do some more research and try to figure out the machine and the settings and getting the proper arc and etc. So stick around, guys. Like, subscribe. I got a lot of projects in mind with this machine and with our project Civic. Stick around. Like, subscribe, comment.